So are Alexander McQueen's still worth the hype and the price in 2020? What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, right? So today we have got another unboxing, try on and review of the Alexander McQueen trainers in 2020, because they updated the model and they actually changed the price as well. So instead of being £360, they're already expensive enough. They're now £390. Quite expensive, isn't it, for a pair of trainers? So I'm going to take you through, try them on, and tell you if I think they're actually worth the price. And are they still relevant in 2020 as well? Like, are people still wearing them? Are they still on trend? Do they still match with loads of different outfits and stuff like that? So yeah, let's get into it. Right, let's unbox them. So as you can tell, the box is different. It actually used to be a grey box. Now it's white. It comes like inside. These are brand new and I bought them from Selfridges as well. So definitely real, definitely legit. Comes with like a little notepad like that, envelope with like the product code and stuff, some spare laces, and then we've got the shoes themselves. So I've got a size 44, which is like a UK 10, and I've gone for the white with white. I think they look super fresh, so it's like a triple white look, isn't it? They look really nice, very nice. They do look super fresh, don't they? It's just, are they actually worth, 390 quid? It's quite a bit of money for a pair of trainers, isn't it? And then, does it not come with a bag nowadays? Is there no bag? I swear, it used to come with a bag as well, but maybe they've upped the price and reduced the stuff what you get. So it's a win-win for us, isn't it? All right, let's try them on and see what they look like on my foot. So guys, this is what they look like on the foot. This is a size UK 10 for me, straight away. One thing they have changed, which I've noticed, I've got a pair of the older version. The tongue here is quite a bit longer and it tends to dig in to your foot there. So that's one thing to bear in mind. Also, another thing to bear in mind is that they are real genuine leather. So they are going to take a bit of time to wear in. So if they don't feel comfy at first, give them a chance. They will actually wear in. You just have to wear them quite a bit. But I actually love the look of them. I don't think these are going to go out of fashion for a bit, because you can pair them with so many different outfits. Like, they go with jeans, trousers, joggers even. And I think they're a very high quality trainer. I know they're expensive, but I think they're worth it. Actually, I wear mine all the time. Like, I literally wear them with every single outfit because they give you an extra 2 inches of height as well. So if you're a shorter guy, you're like 5'7", you want to gain a few inches of height, just go and invest in a pair. Honestly, thank me later. So guys, like I said just then, I really do like these trainers. I've got the original pair with the black heel here, and I wear them with literally everything. I absolutely love them. They're so versatile, so easy to pair with outfits. And like I said before then as well, they give you extra height. So if you're a shorter guy and you're struggling, I don't know, like all the girls are taller than you that you fancy, do you know what I mean? Go for a pair of these and you're right back in the game. I'm 6'2", right? So I don't really struggle with height. But these actually give me an extra 2 inches of height. 6'4" in these. I look massive, but my girlfriend's quite tall, so when she wears heels, I'll wear these, and then I'm still taller than her. Do you know what I mean? So it's nice to have these in the wardrobe because of that. Not just because of that, but I love the look of them as well. I think they're super clean, super minimal, very stylish, and I don't think they're going to go out of fashion. I know the price is quite ridiculous, £390 now is even more expensive than before, but I do think they're worth it. So definitely go and invest in a pair. Sizing wise, I'd stay true to size. Like before on the last video, I think I told you to go down, but on these ones, I think they're a bit smaller. So I'd stay true to size, maybe go down half a size maximum. Go down half a size because they will wear in and they will stretch quite a bit. So if they're not comfy at first, if they're quite tight, do you know what I mean? give them a chance, wear them in, because they will stretch and they do become quite comfy when you start to wear them quite a bit. The only thing that annoys me about this new version is the tongue. So the tongue seems to be a bit longer and it kind of digs in the top of your foot, like around the ankle. I'm not sure if that will give in or wear in, so I'll have to update you on that when I've wore them for quite a bit. But yeah, I really like this colorway as well, the white on white, very nice. I'm a big fan, as you can tell. But yeah, that's going to wrap up the video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop it a like. I'm going to link the trainers in the description down below from Selfridges, so if you want to go and have a look, go and check them out down there. I think probably my favorite trainers, just because of how minimal and clean they are. There's loads of Balenciagas, Versace's out there, but these ones, you don't look like too much of a knobhead, do you know what I mean? I think you look quite good and they give you more height, which is a win-win. Yeah, guys, one more thing as well before we end the video. If you want to check out anything from Sulfit Clothing, we've got these new premium t-shirts in burgundy and camel. We've got joggers, we've got hoodies, loads of stuff coming for Black Friday as well. So keep an eye out, it's going to be linked in the description. But that is it from me today. I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Take care. See you later.